Okay, I'm going to start this video off here on the patio because I think this is the best part about this unit. As you can see, we're on the top floor, the fourth floor. It overlooks the east and the north. This is a huge patio, so it'll be perfect in the summer. You can come out here with your friends, have a nice dinner party, have coffee in the morning. You've got stunning views, unobstructed. It's perfect. This is why I started up here to show you the best part. As you can see, this unit has tons of windows, lots of light to it, which is perfect. All right, so here's the front of the building. This is about 3 buildings here in this complex. It does have a dog park in the middle of this unit, so if you have a dog, it's perfect. Let's go inside the front lobby area. So it's nice and welcoming. To be honest, if you're from Vancouver, this kind of reminds me of Whistler style. You've got lots of wood on the walls, which is really cool and unique. A secured entrance as well. And that's where you can get your mail. And we're going to walk through the next set of doors and head towards the elevator. So this building is 4 floors in total. This unit is on the top floor. It's a unit 1402. And it is a corner unit, which is great. So you've got nobody on most of the sides of your unit. And we're going to head down the hallway. And each door in this complex has a unique color to it, so it's kind of cool. Ours is a blue color. So right off the front entrance there, we've got the laundry, and you do have some storage space as well. And let's walk through here to the kitchen and living room. So you have bright open space here, high ceilings, tons of windows, so it brings in all the natural light. If you want to add an island to this kitchen, you totally can. That would look great. There is lots of storage space, stainless steel appliances, quart countertops, beautiful backsplash there. And as you can see, there's lots of storage space. These cupboards are great for dry storage, anything that you want to put in there for extra storage. So even if you don't have an island at this point, there's tons and tons of storage. So if you're coming from Vancouver, you're probably used to the pretty small condos, like 500 square feet. This one's almost 900 square feet. So lots of living space. So this will be ideal for someone. And easy access to Stony Trail as well. Beacon Hill Shopping Center, which is nearby. There is stores that are walking distance away as well. And there will be a future C train line that'll be coming to this area. And it's actually just going to be across the street that there'll be a main stop for Livingston. So if you don't have a car, this would be great. If you do have a car, this unit has underground heated parking space as well included in this unit. We do have 2 bedrooms and den with 2 full bathrooms. And as you can see, this will be the second bedroom. High ceilings, large windows, lots of light that comes in. Good sized closets as well for your clothes. You've got plenty of room to unwind, great natural light, and thoughtful design throughout this unit. So we're back into the kitchen and the living room. This is the den, so it'd be great if you're working from home. You could put an office in there. And this is the primary bedroom. So again, high ceilings, lots of natural light, large windows. And then we have the bathroom. And then as well, we have a large walk-in closet for all your storage and your clothes, your shoes. This is a living room, so you do have lots of space. You can put a large couch, chairs, make this look very nice. My husband and I did move from Vancouver 4 years ago. We've made Calgary our home. So if you do have any questions about how do you move to Calgary, what does it look like, what are the best areas, I can definitely let you know. This area in the northeast, which is at the very top, is right beside the northwest. It is a great area to live in if you have kids or if you're just a working professional. And this complex comes with the Livingston Community Hub, which is a 2-minute walk. So if you have any questions, my name is Leane EL Haddaoui. I'm a local realtor here in Calgary and surrounding areas. I'm going to include a QR code here you can scan. You'll be able to text me and ask me any questions that you like about this unit or any more info about this area. I would be happy to help you.